Hello YouTube, welcome back to the homestead, and we have a second update today for earthquakes. There has been a 2.7 magnitude earthquake in Alabama, which occurred at 10:53 hours local time or 16:53 UTC time. It occurred 6 miles west-southwest of Cordura, Alabama. 7 miles south of Jasper, Alabama, and 24 miles northwest of Pleasant Grove, Alabama. And it occurred at a depth of 4 kilometers. So there is our update for the 1st of February. I'm sorry, the 1st of March, 2013. Thank you. Have a great day. Please subscribe, and God bless.